Hi guys! So, ayun, dumating na ang ating second parcel na costume ng ating mga dancers. So, let's open it guys! Actually, kakarating lang niya. And let's check. Okay, let's count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So, tama siya. Now, let's see the sizes. So, XL1, XL2, XL3, XL4, XL5, XL6. Okay, 6. Large 1, small 1, small 2, medium 1, medium 2. So, tama lahat ng mga items. And now, let me show you. Ayan, let's take the small. The upper. Okay? So, ang upper nila, guys, is this. It's a red jersey, guys. Okay, this is the front and this is the back. I think meron pang isang lower na natira dito, yung kay Daniel. Let me show you kapag suot siya, guys. Sikipan natin dito, guys, kasi hahaba tapos kasi yan. The other one, like this. So here again, guys, this is the lower. Okay? Napakita ko na before. I mean, yesterday. And this is the upper. So the upper looks like this. Kinuha ko yung small. And it looks like this, guys. Okay? So this is the front. Ito yung kinalabasan ng ating jersey plus the pants. So, this front. Side like this. Back like this. Side and front. So, what do you think, guys? Alright, so that's all. That will be their costume, guys, for this coming event, for this coming competition. So, yun. Hope to see you guys there and abangan Velocity X. Love, love, love.